Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 30, 2024. 4 star Sudoku. 7th row and 9th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, column F we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Ninth row we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. Column D we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column F, column D we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 8. Sorry, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 8. First row we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. First row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then we can confirm 1 also here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. First row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade, column E, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 4. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row and 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 3. 9th grade and 8th row we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th row, 5th row, column A we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column A, 6th row and 5th row we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fourth grade, 9 will come in one of these cells. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H and 4th row and 5th row, in between common numbers 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Or column H and third row we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. First row, third row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The one is confirmed here. First row we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then third grade, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. First row, two numbers are remaining 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Ninth row, column G, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. The ninth grade. Two numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row. Two numbers are remaining 2 and 8. Column C we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. The ninth row. Two numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th grade and 8th row. Three numbers are remaining 3, 4, 5. Column C we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th grade and 8th row only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column G only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th row only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade. Two numbers are remaining 3 and 6. 6th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Sorry. 6th grade. Two numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 5th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 5th row only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column A we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B we have 6. Or column A only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Second row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. First row only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. First grade and second row two numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column B is 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.